It's day 3 here at Journey to Freedom with the Elephant Nature Park in the Cairn Hills villages, and today we are cutting grass with like super high protein in the morning. We have to cut like 1 ton of grass, and then in the afternoon we'll be feeding the elephants. I guess Mei Yui, one of the girl elephants, is been prescribed this high protein grass, so that's what we're doing it for. Baby, taking out your anger.
Yeah, it's great.
So they've given 8 of us these machetes, and then the rest of us are collecting, and our job is to cut these like reed-like plants down so that the elephants can eat them. Going up for some quick lunch, and then watch the poop. And then we are going to be feeding the elephants all the grass that we cut today. So I think that they're like trying to lead them in this direction, and then we're gonna meet them pretty close here, so we can give them this special grass. So we just finished lunch and we were sitting inside, and then basically Suki was knocking on our door with his trunk, and so we came outside, and they're all here. Every trunk full is 5 to 10 liters, so every time she fills it up and puts it in her mouth, it's 5 to 10 liters of water. The elephants all left now. It was really cool watching them eat. They were drinking out of the hose. Everything was just like going super fast. They're all just like doing their thing. Super food motivated, that's for sure. We're gonna be going to the village, I think, in another half hour, so just gonna hang out for a bit and then head there. It's been a beautiful day, just so nice out. We made it to the village. All the kids, some of the kids were there to greet us, and they took us to this amazing lookout to see the sunset. And they're all over here drawing and playing with the markers that some people brought.
Why don't we draw a monkey? Or you draw your favorite thing. Draw whatever you want.
You can draw it.
That is the call.
It's like a ghost story. Day 3?
4.
4.
Yeah, you did day 3 yesterday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
You said day 3 yesterday, just so you know.
Oh, I didn't.
Unless that was this morning. Maybe I'll take this morning.
Day 3's over. Vlog's over.